if you're Caribbean, y'all best. Pretty girls.
Pretty girls.
Like a Senpai, Kohai, really. Like those systems.
I love it when I'm buying drinks, but I hate it when it comes to music. Hi guys, what up? I'm out here in Koenji with one of the tallest people in Japan.
Tallest?
Yeah, well, tallest DJs. Tallest DJs in Japan.
That's a weird introduction.
Yeah, I'm not a normal guy. I'm out here with the boss.
My name is Aju. Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you too. Well, welcome to my channel for the first time, Aju. She's actually like a Caribbean sister.
Yep.
Yeah, so you tell me a little bit about yourself, Ajuchan.
So I was born and raised in Tokyo, Japan. And my dad is Bahamian, my mom is Japanese. My dad is musician, professional drummer. My mom is, professional sewer.
Okay.
Being in the fashion industry for long.
Oh, whoa.
And I've lived in Paris, I've lived in Miami, like South Florida, and LA. I'm pretty international.
International baby, Toyuka.
International babe, this.
Babe. All right, so you spent most of your time here in Japan. Most of your time?
Most.
Yeah, go ahead. Hey guys, I'm sorry. This is a throwback to my old style of doing videos. My poor hand is gonna die, but we're gonna work it out today. I'll probably put it on the game on my tripod later. But yeah, so we're here in Koenji. This is like one of the spots in Tokyo, right?
Yeah,
Koenji?
yeah, for sure. One of the spots. Like if you're looking for secondhand, vintage stuff, clothing. Like this is one of the hot spots. You should come. And also we have like a lot of, how can I say, like izakaya.
Izakaya restaurants.
Yeah, like a lot of restaurants. Yeah, Japanese style. It's pretty cool and reasonable. I think the price is really.
What do you call reasonable? Because I realized that in Japan,
reasonable is not.
Yeah, it's not the same everywhere in the world.
Yeah,
so
I don't know why.
Reasonable is like maybe less than 2,000 yen per person, but some people are like. Before I get into Japan, like less than 1,000 yen is like, perfect price point because everybody's trying to save money and hustle.
Right.
But some people, I didn't spend 10 ichiman, yasui and everything. So what's in general like a good price point for you?
Well, I would say, I don't drink alcohol, right? I cannot really tell the opinion from the, people who love alcohol. But if you have I don't know, maybe like 2,000 yen, 3,000 yen. I think you can enjoy like good meal and like alcohol too.
Okay, sweet.
Maybe it depends how much you drink too. But in Koenji, I'm saying.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, so she also is a DJ.
Hype.
Yeah, so
DJ this.
That's why I actually met her at MC at some events sometimes, and I met her like maybe 2 years ago, maybe. And the first time, and because everybody likes Aju is like this hot top, like how do I explain it? Like she has this look, like I'm like, oh my god, she's like this resting face that you can't really just. Is she approachable or not? Because living in Tokyo, I feel like Tokyo people have a totally different vibe to other people. So like in Osaka, it's so much easier to like to approach people.
Yeah.
But in Tokyo, you like if you don't know somebody, or just walking a crew and say, hey, what's it? It's like, hey, who's this weird guy walking up to me? Kind of vibe. So I don't know. I just find it's easier to make friends outside of Tokyo generally.
Right.
But of course, Tokyo is kind of like, what's your take on like Tokyo making friends for you? How was it?
I don't really make friends in Tokyo because I feel like most of my friends or like my close friends are in like other countries and like very international. I don't know. Me personally, I'm like my circle is like really small anyway. And I'm a DJ, so like obviously I love interacting with people and socialize, but there's also weird people too, so you gotta make sure you want to protect yourself. Because like I feel like yeah, never mind.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it. There are people in Tokyo. I have to protect yourself.
Like for people who kind of like attract, you know, many different type of people. I think also depends, you know, what you're doing, who you are, right? Yeah. But
real.
well, me, I'm not really like scared of like approaching or asking if I need to. But me personally, I'm not the type of person to like just ask or approach in general. But yeah.
All right, cool. So why I brought that up was yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, what I wanted to talk about Aju too is the whole nightlife and clubbing in Tokyo,
right,
and wherever, like, because you've DJed in multiple cities, right?
Yeah. I mean, in Japan, mostly Tokyo. Yeah.
So how do you feel about the nightlife scene in Tokyo? Like, what is it, like a dope spot, or is it like, what's the vibe for you? Because
so I feel like dope spot in Tokyo, me personally, I would say Lion Bar in like Shibuya.
Okay.
Because, and also I love to DJ there too. Because I feel like a lot of people come there to also like to listen to music. Like they like to focus on what DJ is gonna play, but also it's like a good, it has like a little private bar vibe. You can come just, you know, hang out, chill, talking, communicate with people, but also a lot of DJ play good music too, and very international too. So I love Music Bar Lion.
All right. So what do you, I think, yeah, so I've never actually been, but I've always seen like events, and it attracts a kind of like real authentic music lovers crowd.
Yeah.
Like people that really, they're not only to profile and for clout. I want to go hear good music, I'll go here because they play this sort of stuff.
Yeah.
I think a lot of the nightlife in Japan, a lot of people do it because, oh, it's cool, and oh, that person has like so many people on Instagram, I want to hang out.
I mean, that too, for sure. And I would really think that's not just, like, I think that's not just even in Tokyo too, right? Like maybe New York, Paris, like that's probably the most of thing, like
social vibe.
Yeah, like most. But like I also think that the difference is when, how can I say it? When organizers have like a really good concept or like an original concept, let's say like a dancehall, you know, like a dancehall party or Afrobeats party. It could be like hip hop and R&B night. Those are more good music, you know, like you can choose your own taste and go to that party instead of like just going random clubs or like a famous clubs in Tokyo.
Right.
Because me personally, I don't really, not prefer, but I don't really go to clubs by clubs. I go to parties by the concept of the event.
Makes
you know
sense.
what I mean? Yeah.
So are there events that you like turn down because it doesn't fit your vibe, or once the money is right, like, okay, I'll do it? What's your
like when I DJ?
Yeah, if there's somebody approaches, hey, I want you to play at my rave, but you can't play I'm a piano, or you can't, I want you to play only this. Are you like, no, that's not my vibe, I play everything, I don't, or is it
Okay.
in terms of, if you go, would you go to an event that restricts what you play, basically? Like you have to play this, and or else you can't get paid type of vibe? Are you, or you need to have freedom to do what you want when you DJ?
I don't mind both. I mean, obviously I would love to play the genres that I love, right? But then if they make rules for me not to play, you know, music genre that I like, let's say like some techno and some house music that I don't even know, I don't even play that much, and if they want me to play, I really want them to pay me well.
Then
I can
then you can do whatever you want.
Because obviously I really prefer to just play my type of vibe, my type of music that I love. And for the crowd also like similar vibe. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah, you know what I find interesting that so people see me and they see me emceeing like at clubs and stuff or events. Oh my God, you're making so much money.
No. No, you know, I feel like I cannot say Japan, but like Tokyo. Like money is not even that good. But I'm not even talking about just DJ or like MC. Like, you know, just even salarymen or regular people.
Oh really? Yeah, you think so?
I mean, I don't know. I think it's not. Well, maybe also because I have many artists or DJ friends, like a creator's friends, who make way better money in America or like in Europe.
Girl, listen, hello. Like my friends who are Jamaican, I think because we're comparing. So, all right. So when I just started, I moved from Toyota Aichi to Chiba.
Yeah.
And I came to a couple of dancehall parties, and they were like, "Yo, we don't really pay you, but you should be honored to be in this event, and you're new, so you have to play at this time, whatever." Cool.
Yeah.
I did that stuff for a while, a couple of weeks, and then I realized that, I mean, I am from the culture. How are you going to tell me
right.
what is real or whatever? So I just say, screw this. And that's why I kind of moved out of that circle, like being depending on alone. I started doing other stuff with other people and getting connections, and I'm where I'm at. But like when I tell my friends, like I worked this weekend or last week, max I ever put on in one weekend from MCing was 30,000 yen for 2 nights. Cool.
Yeah.
If I was to work in Jamaica or whatever, or America, that would be for probably even 1 hour for one night. Like that is how bad
MC,
the discrepancy. DJ anything. My friends who DJ for 1 hour in Jamaica will charge 50,000 yen for 1 hour.
50,000 yen.
Yeah, 50,000 yen. Go man. 1 hour.
1 hour, yeah. No, so like you said when you do MC in Japan is way cheaper, right?
Yeah, way cheaper.
But you know what I think about MC? I feel like, you know, in Jamaica, even Miami, even like some Caribbean place, Puerto Rico, Dominican, like MC culture is kind of strong, you know what I mean? So like they
understand
in the club they need like Jamaica is like it's all about but that's like a culture. That's why they know the value of MC, and that's why they can pay you. But I feel like in Japan, Tokyo,
but even the DJs don't get paid.
No, exactly.
So you could because everybody also wants to be a DJ.
I don't know. People are not making money, honestly. I don't even know if clubs are making money.
Well, that's also true. I mean, some clubs. I mean, which way we go? Let's try. Yeah, guys. So sorry about the interruption. I had to switch the camera, switch everything, and switch because I'm old to hold the thing. So hopefully this is good enough.
Yeah.
All right. So let's talk about the money people can make in like nightlife in Tokyo.
Yeah,
but I guess most of them it's more about the clothes for the clubs and people promoters. If you can bring many people and you have that clout, they are willing to pay you more because they're willing to take that risk.
For promoters, yeah, but I mean, me as a DJ, recently we don't really have that type of system.
So is it
unless organizers make that, like the more you bring, the more you can get. You know, like the fees. We don't really have that much system anymore.
Oh, what I meant was because you are, let's say I just started DJing and I was recommended by a friend.
Yeah.
They would say, okay, this guy, give him Ichima for 2 hours, whatever. But Ajuchan has been DJing for like 3 years. He's been over this, DJed on this show, or she did Ultra. We have to pay her more than that, right?
Yeah.
I think that's what they're starting to do now. So persons are trying to get bigger gigs just anywhere that has big people. And then they say, hey, yo, I DJ the Ultra, bro. I DJ the Afro, whatever. You got to start running me my bread.
Yeah.
You know, so I guess everybody has skin in the game now and trying to do that. So, what about...
But you know, honestly, I also feel like in Japan, you know, we have like a Senpai, Kohai, really... like those systems.
I love it when I'm buying drinks, but I hate it when it comes to music.
No, like I think that's really like Japanese society things. I really think I'm not involved any of these type of like senpai kohai. Like I'm really think that like I'm individually, you know, doing my own thing, right? But it doesn't matter. I still have a lot of respect to any, you know, organizers and like.
Right.
I have like enough good respect for everybody.
Yeah.
You know, nightlife, people who I'm working with. So I try to be like, you know, I try to be more humble, even if I get like a good offers and good gigs, you know. But yeah. It's really different. Like nightlife, it's kind of different. Yeah, it's really different from like America, Europe, compared to Tokyo or Japan in general. That's all right.
What about the clubbing experience for you, like outside of Tokyo?
Outside of Tokyo, amazing. So like, I think probably the best time that I was like enjoying nightlife was probably 2019 when I was living in Paris. And
Je parle le français. Je parle le français.
Je parle pas français. Je ne parle pas français.
Ajuchan out here with the zaddy vibes. Damn.
Wish. Je comprends beaucoup. Un petit peu.
I thought that feels like slang too. That's like slang, like a slangish French. Like the Hogan, how do you know?
How do you know? And where? Like Haitian
Probably
or like a French
Haiti,
Creole?
French Creole and
Yeah, I know
that's a cool one. Like, yo, some baby, what up, man? You know,
I feel like Caribbean accent is always better.
I think so. Yeah, I think so too. Everyone, we are the best in everything.
Yeah, y'all are best. If you're Caribbean, y'all are best.
Facts.
For real.
So Paris,
no, but when I was living in Paris, 2019, me and my friends agree that was also one of the best time. Like the whole crowd, everybody was vibing, just dancing. The music was so good. Just the vibe was just top tier.
Top, nice.
And also when I was living in South Florida, because you know Miami is like there's a lot of Caribbean people.
Big up Miami, room.
And South American people. So I used to go to like a Jamaican type of party all the time. That, you know, my artist friend organized or, you know, stuff like that. And I got to get to know people, and yeah, it's just those time I really enjoyed. I think I've been partying since I'm like 15 years old in Tokyo.
Hold on, when you mean party in Tokyo at 15?
Yeah, like 15. But like when I was 15 to maybe, like first time I went to Roppongi for a party was 15. I was 15, honestly. I know. But 15. But then I wasn't in the crowd of where I know that I know people right now. You know what I mean? I was in like a different crowd. And I think like those Tokyo nightlife people that I know now, maybe when I was 19, I started to
interact with them.
Yeah, more.
15.
So yeah, so I'm kind of like I'm pretty long, and Miami, LA, Paris too, right? But I really think Paris and UK, like London, is like also one of the best or one of the like the biggest even DJ, nightlife,
Yeah.
music culture scene
Hello.
is like really strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, like really, really strong. I just went to London in October and I DJ'd, and
How was that?
the vibe was amazing. Like UK girls, UK girl them, UK girl them.
Aju
Their
here.
vibe is like really good. I was like, damn, this is like one of the best feeling me as a DJ.
I mean, them girls wilding out.
Yeah, like I mean, everybody just singing and rapping and they know all the words to the oldies, like a Jamaican,
And all the
music
mixes
and
you have this style where you incorporate a lot of Caribbean music into your sets that
Always,
a lot of
always.
people don't actually do. So it's always
Always.
refreshing when I hear your set and I hear this. I'm like,
Yeah.
wait, why
you
y'all-
always react.
And, like I would be like, maybe me and maybe two other people know, and everybody's like, okay, this is cool, but they don't even understand
Yeah.
what's happening.
No, but that's why exactly. Like one of the reasons why I started DJ because of my experience living in different places and like interacting with like international people, and then I realized Tokyo is like the music genres is so.
If it ain't hip hop or
I
top
couldn't.
40, like it's
Yeah,
always techno,
always.
and those
And
clubs.
then even like Afrobeats is like just recent, like what past 2 years,
Past
something, I
2
don't know,
years,
it's
really
just something
popping.
like that.
Yeah.
Because I mean, shit, I was like, where's Afrobeats? Where's all these other sounds? Even like I'm a piano, I still got to know I'm a piano late, but
me
like
too,
first
right.
time I got to know was like 2020. So I already knew that I'm a piano genre when it was like 2020.
Right.
But I'm a piano is even like recently. So I feel like I didn't really have people that I can share and vibe the music with. You know what I mean?
Oh my God!
And
Listen.
that's why that's why even Caribbean music, like me personally, I listen to like so many Caribbean music by myself, but because I don't know who listened to it, and
Saw that name.
when I even introduce the music, people be like, like kore kakkoi, or like, oh, I didn't know this, and it's like
You guys
I
open your
can't
Spotify playlist, diversify your playlist, guys.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Like, and what used to kill me when I used to go to parties, if they do play dance or they do play, it's the same 3 songs: Party Animal, Charlie Black, Sean Paul, maybe, and that's it. You know,
Yeah,
those stuff.
yeah,
And
yeah.
the crossover stuff.
Yeah.
Like Sean Kingston, So it was always a limited selection of music.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah.
with younger DJs and persons that actually are really into music in general,
yeah.
it's much better. The scene is much better now.
Yeah.
But it's not where it needs to be, but it's getting there. So hopefully,
Right.
with more people like Ajuchan who actually come. Speaking of which, Ajuchan,
Hi.
there are people, many DJs that say they're DJs, but they can't actually DJ.
What do you mean?
I won't
Like-
call any names, but people who DJ but they can't. Transitions are
Oh, transition
are
is like bad.
absolutely awful. And I mean.
I want to know who you're
I mean,
talking about anyway.
before like when I just started coming talking here DJs,
Okay.
we in Jamaica we say you can't even mix juice. So mixing is awful.
Okay, yeah.
You can't even mix sugar and water and some flavors.
Right,
you can't even
right,
do that,
right,
right?
right.
But these guys, and also they are not able to change like on the fly. They can't. Oh, the crowd is feeling this. Let me play this.
Yeah.
Oh, I have a set thing, and if I don't play this, but that's not DJing. Anybody who can DJ, you're supposed to be able to read the crowd, play up to the crowd, and
Yeah,
also
yeah.
control the tempo.
Yeah,
How do you
yeah,
feel about requests, Ajuchan?
Request?
Yeah. Honestly.
I don't like requests. I mean, because like most of the requests I get is like, let's say girls come and like they want to request, and it's mostly only like what they want to hear, like individually what they want to hear. They're not thinking about other
Alright,
people, other crowds.
Like your Spotify. No, I can get requests. This is my phone request. If Imagine you're playing a nice hype Afrobeat thing, and then boom, your place is going on crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, can you play some Bad Bunny now?
Yeah, that's like never.
Bro,
Never.
read the room.
Yeah, never. So, but it really depends on the request. If the request is
It has a similar vibe. It can
okay,
work.
maybe this works, then I don't mind doing it. It's just about, but then some girls or some people are just like really drunk and then they really want me to play, or even like the other day. I don't know if you remember, but like for example, the other day, it was Afro beats on a piano, basically like an Afro sound night.
Yeah.
So for me, playing Afro type of sound is my priority, obviously.
Right.
And then somebody came up and be like, "Oh, play some hip hop," and I was like, because in my mind, I know like even my like previous DJs, they were all playing Afro sound. So I was like, maybe they want like a little different vibe for like a next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then I can bring back to Afro, which I don't mind. But you know, but I know their mindset. I know they just want that hip hop, not because they try to read the crowd.
Right. This one.
Yeah. But then I was like, you know what? Yeah, maybe I can play like hip hop just a little bit, 2, 3, 4 sounds, and I did. But then I bring back to Afro.
I remember one person requested a song, and I did it once. Hey, it's her birthday. We in VIP. We're buying bottles.
Yeah, that too.
And then I'm like, okay, just wait a minute, 5 minutes, please, because of vibe. We'll go building something. Then they go to the manager, and the manager say, hey, please, VIP wants it. I'm like, all right, well, do you want the party to suck, or do you want? Okay, whatever, fine. Play the song. I say, oh, let's play it. I can't bother. And I just stop. I did MC for like 10 minutes, just watch this party. Cash. And everybody was the vibe just said, and they're like, what's going on? We're like, VIP wanted to hear me.
Yeah,
so
exactly. Yeah.
VIP gets what they want. And that's a thing you have to be able to balance.
Yeah, it's a balance.
I'd say no in a nice way. I'm going to print a shirt. Hopefully you DJs will buy it. No requests. I am not a Spotify playlist. or each man per request.
Like at the DJ booth, the sticker should be on the DJ booth.
No request.
Like no request.
Go if you want to hear something, put it on your phone and
or you can request if you tip how much or something like that. So, the tip should be
like
tip needed. Yeah.
Needed,
for one request, maybe Nisayan. That's like
tip. So.
Yeah.
Well, in Jamaica we have we do money pull up. If the song is played that we like, we say, no, play it again. We throw money.
Yeah, money, and then but you had to play
it up. Yeah. So I did it once at the event. It was R&B after dark. It was a Jamaican song playing. It was a Jamaican soul music type thing. So was it it's okay. When you cry, I cry along with you. Yo. Let's throw the money on the stage. And the Japanese just said, I don't take the money and just continue playing. No!
They don't know. Yeah, they don't know.
No! But then if you play my music, how can you not know the culture? That's what I don't like. That's the only thing I don't like.
Right.
But yeah.
Yeah, I get it. But you know what, actually, I think this request is made, me personally, I would take the request. I will accept the request is, like sometimes, if like let's say if it's like an Afro night, and then maybe some South African people, like some, you know, the people who enjoy the most, the people who vibe the most, the group are the ones who play. Then I know if I play, they're gonna enjoy, and if other people are not really, then it's like I don't really care, because at the end of the day they should enjoy the most. Like I should keep their energy.
Yeah, because they're the ones that are bringing the back off of these 10 people in the front. Everybody's sitting down drinking, oh look at me, I'm in the club, VIP, popping bottles.
So that's something I'd be like, okay, or if that's what you want to hear, like sure.
Okay. And with Nightlife comes with meeting people, and I don't know if Ajuchan is going to feel nervous now, but I'm going to ask her and put her on the spot. For me, I've found it difficult. Like,
what? What are you about to say? I feel like I know what you're about to say.
And I think you know, because you're Caribbean, you can pick up the sense. So, how is the scene in Tokyo for you?
What do you mean scene in Tokyo?
This the scene. Because I've had no luck. I'm like, maybe I take too long while I'm emceeing. I see a girl and she's giving me a vibe and she's like, hey, I'm like, whatever. And then she's like, no, can I? And I see like she's looking at me with those eyes.
Yeah.
And then by the time I kind of realize she's already gone, or another guy comes in and does this thing, and I want to hear.
But I feel like you're more free. You just go everywhere with the mic.
Yeah, I do.
So
I do. Well, I think
you
also,
can be like, walk one, hey girl, what's up?
Yeah, you know.
And then you like,
you know, I should, but I just don't. I don't want to be
yeah, you probably have this like working mode and.
But that's even the working mode. The fact that I don't want to be seen as this guy that is using the MC thing.
Okay.
And then you hear that you fraternize and
right,
I don't want to be like that type of vibe.
Yeah.
But now going forward, I don't give a rat's booty.
Right.
But so here, how is the dating scene for you?
Like,
yeah, come, yeah.
It's speechless. I even got
You're Michael
anything
Jackson
to talk. Because that's how bad. Like, I mean, yeah, I do. Okay, well, okay, I'm picky, right? I'm not just like choosing anybody.
Random. Of course, we're gonna look at quality, guys. Look at this.
No. Today's even like
normal.
Today,
right
this
now,
is
look like a roadman from London in that raw. Look at the gloss. Look at the fit of the glosses. Look at the piercing of the nose. Look at the teeth.
Very
White.
Chill today.
Look at the cap fashion. Peng. Sorry.
Peng Len type shit.
Peng Len thing.
No, but.
That's a tip, guys. Give me 3 things that are deal breakers for you then. Deal breakers for the person that you're interested in. 3 things that, I can't.
I can't?
No, it can't work at all. Like,
Okay, so even me as a DJ and like working nightlife, I don't drink alcohol, and I don't mind if they drink alcohol, but they has to control. If they're like really wasted all the time and they don't know what they're doing, they cannot control themselves.
Yeah,
like,
red flag. Yeah,
I'm sorry, I
right.
can't. But also, I don't know. Honestly, I'm too pure for this generation, for this world. Like, honestly, like I'm kind of done with romantic.
Oh, you know what you mean? You're more like an old school, like traditional type vibe. Like,
I mean, just like I'm very
conservative.
I'm shy, right? But no, for real, I am shy. But I can communicate. I can tell direct what I'm thinking, how I feel when I'm ready. Like I don't play games, basically.
You heard it first.
Oh,
Homegirl, no play, no game.
like I don't know how to play games, or more like I can't be patient to play games.
So you're impatient?
Yeah, kind of.
Are you a
No, it's not. It's not even like jealous, but it just. I don't like to. I just want to know if we're on the same page and if we can like move, But I don't like to just use them and just be like mess around and like the next day not talking, but then the next day I'm talking.
Is that the Bahamian
I cannot
side
play
or the Japanese? Because you see,
I
I
can't
realize
play with the
messaging
heart.
people, like especially Japanese girls. Yeah. All right, go. Sorry. he stopped. Hold on. So I think the whole texting culture is just a whole different thing.
Yeah.
And I can't do like the whole. I'm too old for. Oh, does she feel this way? Does she really like me? Like, yo, what are you doing? You like me or you not? Okay, fine. Move on and we'll get on with it. But people don't know the wants, and people are too easily influenced by social media and what they're seeing, and so you find people acting out of their zone or out of what they can manage. So let's for instance, I like a girl, but I know she likes to be in Ginza and shop Ginza every weekend. My salary can't afford a girl that loves to be in Ginza, so I'm not going to go and try and let's go eat at this yakiniku Neiman one time. Oh, let's go nightcap, get a drink, a go man, and then what happens next rest of the month. So I would know what I want, but people always no.
Yeah, they don't know what they want for sure. And also it's like, you know, with my case, like, because I don't really approach, right? Most of the time, they're the one who show me, you know, like interest, whatever. People just randomly or like start flirting with me, show me interest, and then I'm like, okay, so what do you want to do?
Right.
But then nobody want to even like properly get to know me or like even start a date or anything. So I'm like, you know what? That's fine. I can go red flag at this point. Like I'm not even.
Are you open to like long distance or not?
Oh yeah, sure. I'm gonna figure out how to actually see you, but because honestly, I really think I'm not gonna find like 95%. It's hard for me to find somebody in
Tokyo.
Japan.
Oh, Japan?
In Tokyo. Japan, Tokyo.
So anybody like international out there, hit her up. She's an international baby anyway, so speaks languages, has a vibe and a swag. So
and I'm not looking for guys. I'm sorry.
She's not looking for guys. So I wasn't going to say.
It doesn't mean I'm not attracted to guys, but just
it's a lot of work. She's like,
lot of work.
So yeah, I have a couple.
So if you're pretty girls,
hit her up. She responds to her DMs on Instagram, baby Ajuchan, blah blah blah.
But honestly, I don't even know if I want. Huh?
Your DMs should be on fire, right?
No.
Really? Everyone's scared to tell?
No, because honestly, a lot of people don't know what I like. And also, I feel like, I don't know, but I don't really get like a DMs from pretty girls or cute girls or like just girls in general. I don't even get.
Sorry, I'm hoping if you have DM'd her and you think you're a pretty girl, I mean, hey.
No, but like just girls in general.
Oh, really?
I don't even get.
But I guess people are kind of scared. You kind of have this intimidating look.
Maybe, but to me it's like if you just scare and not,
then what's the point?
Approach me or whatever, then that's their
problem.
Yeah, that's finished. Then we don't have chemistry.
Right. You gotta fight for what you want.
I feel like me, if I I say I don't really approach at all, but if I really see somebody that I'm like, wow, then I'll go. I'll go because I don't want to miss that chance.
Right.
I don't see my type at all. So that means if I see somebody, but it's not even about just me living in Tokyo. Even when I go to America, even
what about London? Do you see
London more? Yeah, London.
Oh, I kind of know what her type is now.
London. No, cause kind of like clean aesthetic.
Yeah.
Like clean baddie. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like.
I know what you mean.
Just and kind of like.
And also with the culture and have the music and the expo and the thing, and also the fact that most of them kind of have a little bit of Caribbean,
Exactly. And like a beautiful little tan or brown skin, even dark skin. I don't, just not too white skin, but not like an unhealthy looking.
Yeah, but real. Yeah, I know.
You know what? It's just like. My type of vibe was just very cute, attractive, pretty. You know what I mean? Ooh, wow. I'm sorry.
I can't believe Ajuchan is exposing so much. She doesn't really talk this much, guys. So I'm just really happy.
No, I don't even talk this much.
Exactly. So this is a lot for her, and I'm really grateful I got it out of her. I obviously send her the clip and ask her if it's okay. To send out when it's ready. So we're just chilling and vibing and talking about we both are kind of active in the nightlife here in Tokyo. She's more active, but she's a big boss, isn't it? By next year, I will be done with the MCing thing. Hopefully, be a full-time singer, DJ, whatever. Because this MC work is so tiring, and I'm getting old.
Yeah.
So, where can they find you, Ajuchan? Where they can find you? What's your social media if you want to target you?
Oh, my Instagram is babyajuchan, and
Okay, YouTube. Okay, YouTube.
YouTube, Ajuchan TV.
Yes.
Yes.
And so you get more of her. I know you don't want to see me. Get more of her. All right. And make sure you subscribe to her channel so that I sent you. All right. So peace out. Hi, Johnny.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah.